If you're integrating Stripe into your app on Bubble, the first step is choosing the right integration method. In most cases, the best and easiest option is the official Stripe plugin by Bubble, V2. It's deeply integrated into Bubble, which makes setup and workflows much simpler, as long as your use case fits within the plugin's capabilities. There's also the Stripe plugin by Bubble E3, which is SCA-compliant. You only need this version if your business operates in the EU or you're building a Stripe Connect platform with EU-based accounts. Otherwise, V2 is usually sufficient. Important tip: if you use Bubble's Stripe plugin, install the Stripe Mobile Fix plugin as well. This prevents a floating blue button issue on mobile. Also make sure your checkout image URL has no spaces, or it won't display properly. Now here's how to set it up. First, install the Stripe plugin inside the Plugins tab in Bubble. Next, log into your Stripe account, or create one if you don't have it yet. Go to the Developer section, then click on API keys. You'll see two important keys: Publishable key, Secret key. Copy both and paste them into the corresponding fields inside the Bubble plugin settings. Then toggle View Test Data in Stripe to access your test keys. Paste those into the development fields in Bubble. These will be used when you're running the test version of your app. If you're using Stripe Connect, you'll also need to add your client ID, configure redirect URI settings. These can be found in Stripe under Settings, Connect Settings. Once your keys are connected, you can start creating payment workflows directly inside Bubble. In short, install the plugin, connect your API keys, configure test and live modes properly, and you're ready to accept payments.